Mapakaniko komeleni uzokora maybe Saturday or in the next 3 games. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
You need the numbers. You're going to get them now.
Yeah.
Relay is in the mood now.
Yeah.
Relay yesterday wanted to score. Okay, akakalungi sisamphetela umfana kodwa uzokora. First one Hotho uzama kumphasa.
Yeah.
Akazi ukuthi ushaya iphi technique. It didn't work out but at least like he had an idea and for him ukuthi simthole kulesa space it's good
Yeah,
one.
that run is
Hey,
beautiful.
but that was unlike him, fana. Really has the best first touch in future. I thought he was gonna maybe ayibambe and just finish ngalama plays wakhe yashala washaya. Aisha was disappointed with that chance.
Yeah, uzothola imali.
Yeah.
Second one, okay, you can go.
Little Nantwana, it's a bad miss, ne? But I won't crucify him for that.
Yeah,
For sure.
Because you know, if you give him 3, he's gonna bury 2. Miss
Sure,
one.
sure,
I think
sure.
it's just one unfortunate one. Elonguru misses,
Yeah.
but and I tried. In fact, even that goal. Like Kisemi assist Antwana, like we
Sure,
and he had the presence and Emisa Unana Rutwe Shagara. I don't know what's taking that beautiful run. I think it was Ulibit.
Ucabanga ukuthi uzokushaya kuphi?
Ngara will be
Uphasa
in
la.
danger.
And umshebo uyetsa ngipholela la alwela. Uyibona nelilo usiball erelatwa kisihlendule.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Yeah.